ano yung mga pwede mong gawin to increase your income. You can upskill, focus on the skills that you can leverage on, and find other ways to earn income. So for every episode that we have our hashtag Ask Ann portion where we answer listener questions. So if my question ka, post it on our socials or group, Act to Achieve PH. Use the hashtag Ask Ann, and you might be the next question we're answering in the next episode. So this question is from Carlo. Very good question to kasi alam ko maraming makaka-relate dito. How do I prioritize my financial goals when I have multiple goals but limited resources? That's a very good question. I'm sure maraming makaka-relate dito. Unang-una, na-identify mo na yung unang goal mo. Because you have limited resources, your first goal is to increase your resources, increase your income. Yun yung pwede mong simulan or kailangan mong simulan bago pa makapag-prioritize ng iba't ibang financial goals. Yun yung unang-una. Kasi very limited ka sa mga pwede mong gawing financial goals kung wala kang income, kung wala kang resources, wala kang foundation na mapagkukunan ng mga financial goals na yan. So compute how much you need to make to live comfortably or to be able to pay your monthly responsibilities. Assess what you need to do to get to that income. So again, babalik tayo dun sa achievable. Hindi naman pwede na parang mag-expect ka ng times 10 na increase ng income from what you're currently getting. You have to be realistic and achievable depending on your capabilities and situation also. You can assess your current job if you're in a corporate setting and see kung ano yung mga pwede mong gawin to increase your income. You can upskill, focus on the skills that you can leverage on, and find other ways to earn income. You can upskill and learn how to sell yourself, do side hustle, do business, and kung ano-ano pang mga pwede mong gawin to build on those resources, those things na makakatulong sa'yo para magkaroon ka ng mas maraming bala para unti-unti mong malatag yung mga financial goals mo. Then from there, pwede ka nang mag-prioritize kung alin ba dun yung mga goals na gusto mong i-pursue. I hope I was able to answer your question, Carlo, and I hope other listeners find it helpful too.